Welcome to GSK EdTech.
Let us install VS Code and setting up live server in this video. Open your Google Chrome. Type here Visual Studio Code download. Click on the first link and select what is the OS you are using. Select that OS. So I am using Windows. So I am clicking on this. Here the download will be begin. After the download, open this file in download folder. To open downloads, press Ctrl J. It is a shortcut. Or if you want to open manually, you can click on these three dots and go to downloads here. So here VS Code setup have been completed. So press show in folder. Yes, open this. You will get a pop-up like this. This is called the setup of Visual Studio Code. Accept the agreement and next, install. So just install this. It will take couple of time to install. After installing, press finish. Here it will shows a window that choose your theme, whatever theme you want, please choose this and ignore this all. Click on the everything what it is shows in this. So mark as done. Here it will ask you file or open file. So here we didn't have any project file, right? So create a file here in the desktop. On the desktop, create a file for name it as project file. Okay, so I have named like this. So now in this file there is no files in this. So open Visual Studio Code and select the Explorer from the dashboard here on the left. So click on the open folder, then go to the desktop, find your folder. So this is my file. Select this folder. Now press yes, I trust this author. Okay, and here you have two types of logos or two types of buttons. One is new file and another one is new folder. So we are already in folder, right? So we need to create a file. You want to create a HTML file right now. Okay, now we are going to discuss about HTML. So we want to create HTML file. Okay, so I am going to create a new file here called HTML file. Okay, index.html. I have created that. If you want to work this code, whichever you have written here, you need to install an extension, right? So go to extension in the dashboard, search for the HTML. So just type HTML. It will shows you popular extensions. Okay, from this select the HTML CSS support, which I have selected. So install this. After installation, close the tab. Okay, and I told you how to set up a live server, right? How to set up our live server. So to install the extension, we need to type here a live server in the extension dashboard. Search for live server, and here is the live server. Install it. Okay, yeah, it's done. So in next video, I'm going to tell about how this live server works in the HTML document and writing your first code in the next video. Thank you.